adore all kinds of sweet stuff and like a sweet taste on the lips. Watch how to turn your favorite candies into tasty balms in our new video. Kinder chocolate can become a true surprise if you transform it into sweet lip balm. Melt a bar of Kinder chocolate in a double boiler. Add almond oil and stir. The melted milk chocolate mixed with a cream filling turns creamy beige in color and gets a milkshake consistency. Pour the mixture into an empty container and put it in the fridge. When cool, it'll apply no tone, but nourishes your lips greatly. Let's decorate the container. Take a few colored pieces of modeling clay. Knead them to shape a cone. Stick it to the top and squeeze hot glue all over to shape an ice cream topping. Imitate melted ice cream. When the glue hardens, paint the ice cream different colors. Apply a white base first. Then, add some color. Make a spiral pattern to make it look like a twisted ice cream topping. Make it sparkle. Sprinkle the wet paint with glitter. The cute little ice cream will decorate your lips, your morning coffee, and your makeup bag. Want to choose a lollipop or lip balm? I've chosen both. Break a lollipop. Put the pieces into a Ziploc and hammer it to crush completely. Add some Vaseline and mix. Add beeswax shavings. Put it in a microwave. Take apart an empty EOS container. Mix the melted lollipop mixture. If there are big pieces left, take them out. Mix a drop of raspberry flavor with food coloring. Put in the melted caramel and mix well. Pour it in the top and put it in the freezer. Make a hole in the bottom. Put in a lollipop stick and hot glue. Twist the top with the cool balm on the bottom. The lollipop-shaped EOS balm smells like raspberry and makes your lips soft. Besides, it has a slightly pink tone. You can find more beauty hacks and sweet ideas on our new channel, Troom Select. Go to the link below and be sure to subscribe. A Tic Tac can freshen your breath as well as cool your lips. Do you want to know how? Watch it now! Put a few Tic Tac mints into a Ziploc bag. Crush them with a hammer. Melt Vaseline with the mint powder. Add coloring. Put in edible pearl powder. Mix well. Melt the wax. Add it into the mixture. Stir again. Pour the liquid balm in an empty lipstick container. Put it in the fridge. The pearl lipstick with the Tic Tac flavor cools your lips and adds a little glow to them. Do you like Kit Kats? Then you'll certainly like this awesome chocolate scrub. Break a Kit Kat bar. Crush it in a mortar. Put the chocolate in a double boiler. When it melts, the waffle filling is left in crumples. Add coconut oil and mix it up. Pour it in an empty container. Put it in the fridge. We've got the tastiest lip scrub. Have a break. Exfoliate your lips. What is better, Skittles or toffee? We can't stop